Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the display settings are not working or not showing up in your computer, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first solution is very simple, just simply restart your computer and it should work. If that doesn't work, then we need to reset the settings app itself. So for that, we'll go to settings in the search bar and we'll click on app settings in the right pane, and then we'll scroll down for system reset. So we'll click on repair here till a check mark comes here, and then we'll click on reset till a check mark comes, and then we should be able to go to the display settings. But if we can't, then we need to enter a command in PowerShell, and that command is there in the description of this video. Just copy the command and this will reset your control panel. So copy it, look for PowerShell, right click on PowerShell, click on run as administrator, yes, and then we will just paste it here and press enter. Now once we have done that, we'll also need to enter another command in the command prompt bar. So we'll look for the other command in the description of this video, copy it, and this will shut down the iris service, which can cause a conflict with your display settings, and that's why maybe it's not showing. So we'll open command prompt, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, and we will post it in the command prompt panel and press enter. Then the third thing we need to do is run a SFC scan. So again, we'll open command prompt, right click on it and click on run as administrator, and we'll type the command SFC space slash SCANNOW and press enter. Now we'll need to run other command on the command prompt, and that is to restart the display settings app itself. So for that, we will open command prompt, or we will copy this first, start ms-settings :display, copy it, and then go to command prompt in the search bar, right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator, and then paste it and press enter. This will reset your display settings and then it should show up. But if after all these solutions it doesn't show up, the display settings are not working or don't show up, which is very rare, then we need to run a DISM scan, and we'll do that by copying this command, DISM online cleanup image restore health, copy it, and then we will run command prompt. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it, run as administrator, and we'll copy this command here and we'll press enter. This will take some time, folks. This scan will take some time, and we'll restart the computer and check if display settings is working or not. By this time it should work, and if it doesn't, then we will have only one option, and that will definitely fix this problem. We have to re-register the Windows app. So for that, we have a command. We'll copy this command, which is in the description of this video, and we will have to open PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and we will post this command here and press enter. After this, we'll restart the computer and your display settings should definitely start working and also start showing up. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.